Hey everyone, your smile is precious and you gotta take care of it. Some everyday habits could be sabotaging your smile without you even knowing it. We're exposing 8 deadly dental habits that could cost you your teeth and how to fix them before it's too late. Stick around for a special bonus, the Navy Tooth Repair Hack. You'll find the link to that in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's talk about those pens and pencils. You're stressed, you're focused, and the next thing you know, you're gnawing away on the end of your pen. Every time you chomp down on that plastic, you're risking chipping your teeth. And chipped teeth? Not a good look. Those pens and pencils are like little bacteria taxis heading straight for your mouth. Think about all the places those writing utensils have been. Do you really want all that grime making a home in your mouth? Swap out those writing tools for a stress ball, give it a good squeeze when you're feeling overwhelmed, or pop in a piece of sugar-free gum. It'll satisfy that need to chew and freshen your breath at the same time. I love a refreshing glass of lemonade on a hot day, but here's the thing, they're full of acid. Acid is like kryptonite for your enamel, which is the protective shield for your teeth. Every time you sip on something acidic, it's like giving your enamel a mini acid bath. Over time, that acid eats away at your enamel. You can still enjoy them, but do it strategically. Try using a straw to minimize the contact between the acid and your teeth. After you're done, rinse your mouth with some water to neutralize the acid attack. Brushing your teeth before bed isn't just about fresh breath, it's about fighting off an army of plaque. Plaque builds up on your teeth throughout the day, and if you don't brush it away, it hardens into tartar, which is even more difficult to remove. Aim for 2 minutes of brushing with fluoride toothpaste. Your teeth will thank you for it. Grinding your teeth or bruxism often happens at night while you're catching those Z's. If you're grinding your teeth, you're not just wearing down your enamel, you're putting a whole lot of stress on your jaw. Talk to your dentist. They can fit you with a custom-made night guard that acts like a protective barrier for your teeth. If stress is causing you to clench your jaw, try incorporating some relaxation techniques into your daily routine, like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Your gums are like the unsung heroes of your mouth, silently working to keep your teeth in place. Ignoring gum sensitivity is like ignoring a flashing check engine light in your car. It's only a matter of time before things go from bad to worse. Make sure you're brushing and flossing like a boss. Consider incorporating an antiseptic mouthwash into your routine, and schedule a visit with your dentist to get to the root of the problem. It's 3 p.m., your stomach's rumbling, and that bag of chips in the vending machine is calling your name. Sugar is like a 5-star buffet for plaque bacteria. Every time you snack on sugary treats, you're giving those bacteria a feast. Opt for tooth-friendly options like fruits, veggies, or a handful of nuts. If you do indulge in something sweet, try to brush your teeth or rinse your mouth with water afterward. Have you ever used your teeth to open a bag of chips, rip a price tag off a shirt, or pry open a stubborn jar? Your teeth are designed for chewing food, not for acting as tools. Every time you use them to tear, rip, or open something, you're putting unnecessary stress on them, increasing the risk of chips, cracks, or even breaking a tooth. Keep a pair of scissors or a bottle opener handy. Trust me, your teeth will thank you in the long run. Flossing can sometimes feel like a chore, but it's a non-negotiable when it comes to maintaining a healthy smile. Think of flossing as giving your teeth a spa day. It's all about removing the gunk that brushing can't reach. Flossing removes food particles and plaque from those hard-to-reach areas, preventing them from wreaking havoc on your gums and teeth. Consider investing in a water flosser for a more powerful and refreshing clean. We covered a lot today, but it was all for a good cause, your beautiful smile. Avoid those sneaky smile saboteurs like chewing on pens, sipping on acidic drinks, and skipping out on nighttime brushing. Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked in the description. It's a must-see to save your teeth. It's packed with even more tips and tricks to keep your smile healthy and bright. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let me know in the comments which of these habits you're going to break up with for good. Until next time, keep smiling.